So first, let's have a look at some of our products that are more commonly found in the maritime sector. Peplink have many routers suited to the maritime market. This is just a short example of a kind of a sizing comparison and recommendation for a super yacht. We've also got IP rated routers like the IP67 HD2 and HD4. Our products don't stop at the router. We also have full solutions for onboard connectivity, including our own range of switches, Wi-Fi access points, antennas, and then the SIM injector as well. Last week, we launched our new website. There's a dedicated section for maritime. Go and check it out. Some of you may have noticed the new images on our website. They're designed to provide you an overview of how our solutions can fit into a maritime installation. So in this example, we've got two MBXs. One is a master and one is a high availability slave. We've also got a BR1 power to provide power to the units. This allows us to monitor the power remotely. We've then got an SD switch and access points. So that's all on the boat. Then off the boat in a data center, we've got an SDX connected to the internet. So the idea is to connect them using SpeedFusion bonding to create a single, reliable and fast internet connection between the vessel and the data center. So we've got some other examples here. So on the left, this is an example showing two different setups that were offered for the same vessel. So the one on the left is using two HD4 MBXs. It's very similar to the previous example. And then the second option for this client was utilizing an EPX. So the EPX obviously gives you a lot more options in connectivity, but also both the EPX and the MBX have upgradable modems. Then on the right, we have also got a setup for a sail yacht, which uses an HD2 dome and then a balanced 580 below decks. The HD2 dome is installed up the mast, single Ethernet network cable down to below decks, and then you use the SIM injector to power up the dome and provide the SIMs to the dome. We've then also got an SD switch and access points. The one below that is a similar setup for a motor yacht, but with an HD4 MBX located up the mast, nice and close to the antennas. SD switch, SIM injector and access points throughout the vessel.